Hi, I'm Longe Bashirat and I'll be taking you the money pull cake tutorial today. When you want to do a money pull cake, the first thing you need to do is to seal your money. I use nylon and a sealing machine. If you do not have a nylon and if you do not have a sealing machine, you can use sellotape to do so. Once I am done sealing the total amount of money I want to seal, for the sake of this tutorial, I am sealing 10,000 naira in 500 naira denomination. Then I use the sellotape to join the money together. After joining the money together, I use the pipe. Yes, you can use any hollow tube, but me, I cut the pipe. I cut it like 3/4 of the money. Then I wrap it around a foil paper. Then I roll the money around it because that's what's going to be inserted into the cake. While rolling the money around it, I do not tape it with the sellotape because I want the money to be pulled up entirely. Once I'm done taping it around the tape, I try to trim my cake before putting the filling or the money in it. After trimming my cake, I tend to fill the last layer, which nothing is going to be there. Then I put the second layer that I want to insert my money into. I place the money on it, then I cut it through just like this. Remove the cake within that space that I want to use, just like this. Then I insert my money. So for the money to be able to roll, you need to put a dowel rod inside your cake through the tube. It has to pass through the pipe that is in your cake. That's going to make your money roll easily. After texturing, just like in that video I just textured, then I try to cut a slit for the top part. Then I texture again. Have you seen it? Once that is done, then you can start decorating your cake. Inserting the topmost layer, then you trim your cake round. I like to use tall cakes for money cakes, but I'm just doing this tutorial for the sake of people that do not really want to use tall cake. This cake is about 5 inches tall, 7 inches wide vanilla cake. Then I complete my cake. See the money being inside. If you feel the money that you kept outside is too much, you can just slightly push the remaining one inside. It won't go so deep. It's just you can just fold it inside like that. And you start covering your cake. In this cake, I decided to do a classy design, which I'll be taking in my online class, my buttercream online class. Just send a DM if you're interested. Once you are through with the top part of the cake, you can just get a topper or a picture of the person, slightly put it by the side of the cake, then use a tape to hold it